Hey there, fellow chicken lovers! Happy Homesteader here. Thinking about getting backyard chickens but don't know which breeds are best? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top breeds that are not only amazing egg layers, but also make the best pets. We're talking about those sweet feathered friends that'll have you saying, "Well, hey there, girls," every time you step outside. Whether you're looking for a cuddly companion or a backyard egg machine, I've got you covered. Let's jump in. If you ask me, there's nothing sweeter than a hen that greets you at the door like a happy puppy. And that's what you get with a buff Orpington. These fluffy golden gals are like the family dog of the chicken world. They just love people. Seriously, these cuddle bugs don't mind being picked up. They adore a good head scratch, and they'll happily follow you around the garden all day long. They're like little feathered shadows, always underfoot in the best way possible. And the best part? Besides their sweet personality, you can expect around 200 to 280 large brown eggs per year from these girls. Now that's what I call a win-win. Now let's talk about those of you who are serious about your breakfast. If you're dreaming of a fridge always stocked with farm-fresh eggs, you need an Isa Brown in your life. These hardworking hens are like the Energizer bunnies of the chicken world. They just keep laying. You can count on them for up to 300 eggs per year, which is almost an egg a day. Just imagine, fresh omelets, cakes, and cookies, all thanks to these productive ladies. And don't worry, they're not all business. Isa Browns are also super friendly and easy to care for, making them perfect for first-time chicken owners. They're a great way to jump into the world of backyard chickens. Isa Browns are known for their calm and friendly temperament, making them a joy to have around. They thrive in a clean, spacious environment and enjoy activities like dust bathing and roosting. With their shiny, reddish-brown feathers, Isa Browns are not only productive but also quite beautiful. Their gentle nature makes them great companions for children and other pets. So if you're looking for a reliable egg layer that's easy to care for and friendly, Isa Browns are the perfect choice. Now, for those of you who like a little bit of whimsy and wonder in your life, let me introduce you to the Easter egger. These chickens are like walking Easter baskets, with a rainbow of egg colors. Imagine your surprise when you gather your eggs and find blue, green, pink, even olive-colored eggs nestled in the hay. It's like a little gift every time. And it's not just the eggs that are beautiful. These birds themselves are gorgeous, with fluffy cheeks and a variety of feather colors. But they're not just pretty faces. Easter eggers are curious, friendly, and easy to raise, making them a joy to have around the coop. Now, I know some of you live in parts of the country where winter means business. Well, let me tell you about a breed that laughs in the face of a little snow, the Plymouth Rock. These beautiful black and white hens are as tough as they are pretty. They'll keep laying those lovely brown eggs right through the coldest months. Talk about reliable. Plus, they're excellent foragers, which means they'll help keep your yard free of pesky insects. If you want a friendly hen that's as tough as nails and always up for a little adventure, even in the snow, the Plymouth Rock is the breed for you. Last but certainly not least, we have the breed that looks like it walks straight out of a storybook, the Silkie. These fluffy darlings are the definition of cute overload with their soft fur-like feathers. Silkies are known for their gentle, quiet nature. They're perfect if you have close neighbors or a smaller backyard. And if you have kids, these hens are like feathered teddy bears always up for a gentle cuddle. While they might not lay as many eggs as some of the other breeds, around 100 to 150 per year, their sweet personalities and adorable looks more than make up for it. So whether you're looking for a super cuddly pet, a high-production egg layer, or just a unique, gorgeous bird, there's a perfect breed for you. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite chicken breed? Or if you're just getting started, which one are you most excited about? And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more backyard farming tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy chicken keeping!